why we going this way?
Go down here at the bottom of the hill to see if there's any damage down here.
Oh, there's a deer.
Big deer. Wow, that's a big one.
Not really. I've seen bigger. Oh my gosh.
When I was a kid growing up, we never played in that bunch of woods right there.
Why?
It was supposedly loaded with copperhead snakes.
Was that from the storm?
No, I don't think so.
What
Well,
about
it might
that
be.
tree?
There's a limb or a big old top out of a tree.
Mm-hmm.
I don't see any damage in here. That log house that sits on the top of the cabinets down there at home,
Yeah.
it was right down there. Right there where that pond is.
Oh.
That's where I lived. And we walked from there all the way to Phillipstown to the school and back every day.
Mm-hmm.
Winter or summer, it didn't make any difference. Rain or dry.
What if, or when did you have to get up? Because school started like what, 8?
It started at 8 o'clock, and I don't know what time we got up. We just got up.
I'm sure you was late for school.
No, wasn't late for school. I used to work for